warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will invite you to come one of tourism, the religious tourism place in my area. Okay, let's go. So, welcome in Suryalaya guys. Now I will tell you about Suryalaya. Suryalaya is one of Islamic boarding school, or Indonesian people call it pesantren. In West Java, exactly that place there is in Godebak Tanjung Kerta Village, Pagar Ageng, Tasikmalaya. Suryalaya Islamic Boarding School was pioneered by Syekh Abdullah Mubarak bin Nur Muhammad, or known as Abah Sepuh. In his pioneering, many obstacles from the Dutch colonial government and from the surrounding community. Also, the natural geographical environment is quite difficult. Until 7 Rajab 1323 Hijri, or 5 September 1905, Abah Sepuh was able to establish Islamic boarding school even just with a mosque located in the Godebak Tanjung Kerta village. Suryalaya Islamic boarding school is taken from the term Sundanese, namely Surya, the meaning is sun, and Laya, the meaning is place of rising. So, Suryalaya literally means the place of sunrise. In 1908, or 3 years after the establishment of the Suryalaya Islamic boarding school, Abah Sepuh got khirqah. Khirqah is legitimacy of strengthening as a mursyid teacher. From his teacher, he is Syekh Tolhah bin Talabuddin Kalisapu Cirebon. Over time, Suryalaya Islamic boarding school has grown and gained recognition and sympathy from the community. Educational facilities have also increased, and the followers or students who are commonly called Ikhwan and Akhwat Suryalaya was added. The existence of the Suryalaya Islamic boarding school with its Qadiriyah Naksabandiyah Toriko, or Indonesian people call it TKN, Torikot Qadiriyah Naksabandiyah, began to be recognized and needed. For the smooth work of Abah Sepuh in the distribution of the Qadiriyah Naksabandiyah Toriko, he was assisted by 9 talqin representatives, or Indonesian call it Wakil Talqin, and he left a will to be used as a whole interwoven unit and unity students, or Ikhwan. Or Ikhwan and Akhwat, that's namely Tanbih. And Syekh Abdullah Mubarak bin Nur Muhammad passed away in 1956 at the age of 120 years. His leadership were delegated to his fifth son, Kyai Haji Ahmad Sohibul Wafa Tajul Arifin, who is called Abah Anom. In the early days of Abah Anom's leadership, many experienced quite disturbing obstacles, including the DITII, Darul Islam, and Indonesian Islamic Army Rebellion, and from PKI, Indonesian Communist Party Rebellion. The development of Suryalaya Islamic boarding school is growing rapidly and advancing, making people who want to learn Qadiriyah Naksabandiyah Toriko more, and they come from various regions in Indonesia. Also, with spread carried out by representative of Talqin, this effort also served to preserve the teachings contained in the principle of the Qadiriyah Naksabandiyah Toriko and Tanbih. At 11th on March 1961, the Suryalaya Islamic Boarding School Foundation, or Yayasan, was formed. That name is Sarba Bakti Foundation. The Sarba Bakti Foundation also managed a rehabilitation center for narcotics abuse called Inaba. It had been financed since 1973 but was officially founded in 1980. After that, Suryalaya Islamic Boarding School was increasingly known to all corners of Indonesia, even to the countries of Singapore, Malay, Brunei Darussalam, and Thailand. Following Australia, countries in Europe and America. During Abah Anam's leadership, Suryalaya Islamic Boarding School played an active role in religious, social, educational, agricultural, health, environmental, and state activities. This is evident from the awards obtained from both the president, the central government, and regional government, even from the international world for their achievements and service. Thus, the existence of Suryalaya Islamic Boarding School is getting stronger and more needed by all human beings.
Allahumma salli ala Nabil Hashimi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sallim taslima.
Besides that, there are educational institutions in Suryalaya. That education has a function to help spreading Thoriqah Qadiriyah Naqsabandiyah, and that was an important role to make the character and noble character in educating the nation and to instill ideology, the process of national integration. In addition, the implementation of a good formal education can also improve the standard and quality of life of the nation. From all of that in Suryalaya, using Sundanese culture, it was proven by language in every day. The public using Sundanese language, and in big celebration, they are using Sundanese customs. The examples, Jaipong dance and wearing kebaya and pangsi. Other than that, Suryalaya is known by Inaba. Abah Anom using Inaba as a method for the rehabilitation program for narcotic addicts, juvenile delinquents, and people with psychiatric disorder. The concept of treating for all of that is to return people from behavior that is always against the will of God or immorality, to behavior that is in accordance with God's will or obedience. For the success of the Inabah method, Abah Anom received the Distinguished Service Award from IFNGO on drug abuse, as well as an award from the government of the Republic Indonesia for his service in the field of rehabilitation of victims and narcotic and juvenile delinquency. In Suryalaya, there are teaching for practice in daily life that are zikir. Zikir is remembering Allah. Usually in Suryalaya using two methods. Zahar is loudly zikir and siri zikir in the heart or secretly. Khotaman. Khotaman is praying with the special word from Mursyid in Ukdul Jum'an. And the last is Manakib. Manakib is praying together all of Ikhwan and Akhwat Suryalaya. usually conducted every 11th Hijri in Suryalaya. Also in Suryalaya, there are weekly tradition like Ngaras. Ngaras is asking dua and barokah to the mursyid. An annual tradition is Hardik Sur, Hari Pendidikan Suryalaya, or Educational Day of Suryalaya. Terbangan same as like Maulid Nabi with Rebana and Pujian for Prophet Muhammad. Pawai is like we are walking together with light in the night before Independence Day, and others tradition in Islamic like Isra Mi'raj, Nuzulul Quran, Idul Fitri, Idul Adha, and others. Okay guys, that is for me. I hope this video can help you to recognize about Suryalaya. And I recommended this place if you want to come one of religion to region place. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.